covering the entire city. If only that blasted dimensionator still worked.
Look.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
Ow! I love the melodrama of this game. Absolutely love the melodrama of it.
I'm coming, Clank.
Come on.
Oh, no.
No, no.
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha.
Bring me that lumber!
Ah!
So, then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! We under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh, dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Just change it. How has it been since last stream, bro? Yeah, literally last stream was about 2 hours or 3 hours ago.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout. But first, I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
I'm playing something that's...
Great! There's a seeker bee right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. A lot of swamp acid between here and the Mort's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
So, yeah, that's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Ratchet, can you read me? Oh,
Dear.
My communicator must be broken.
Morts will be at their gelatonium factory. Gotta find a way through the swamp.
Where are these speedle things?
I would not advise that.
Okay.
Require healing.
Do I?
Looking for some heat? Miss Zircons has the hottest weapons around.
Needle wasps!
Damn it!
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Yeah, no, it's been alright since the last stream if you're still there. How have you been since you last saw me
As
on?
soon as I can get close enough.
Ratchet, can you read me? Dear, my communicator must be broken.
Of course. Needle wasps!
Come on.
You dispatched them quite capably.
Because where am I meant to go? It's those things. Okay.
Where's that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from
There we go.
the tree.
Boom! Level up again.
And the last speedle runs into that rift thingy.
There we go.
Smarty bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
Hey, it's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There's the Speedle.
No, no, don't hide! Ah,
Hitting its nest might be...
well, hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
There we go.
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the boards.
Whoa. Boom!
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the boards! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash.
Come on.
Stop! 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 There's the gelatin.
There we go.
I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that bombax in his robo-pen
Okay,
across
so
dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5
Yeah,
seconds to
like,
tell us where they're at.
love this game.
One.
Hang on there now.
Don't forget to give us a like, share, and a comment, guys. Don't forget to give us a like, share, and a comment.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey! I know where you can find the bomb.
Another bombax. Tell us where your friend is, Rosafino.
I really hope soon that they announce when the new Ratchet and Clank's coming.
Avoid hits like that.
Brilliant.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us?
Don't forget to give us a like, share, and give us a comment and a follow, guys.
You. The next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too right.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Turkeys? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Let's see what I can get.
This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Go ahead, Shug. That is a great deal. Make sure to tell your friends now.
There we go.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience.
If you're watching in the live
with
chat, don't
dimensional
forget to give us a follow, give us a comment, say hello.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Yeah.
You don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a
Hello, shiny forehead again.
Turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank, former warbot.
How's it going, everybody?
Wombax became a hero.
Come on, I might just skip this cinematic, actually.
You know how to fix the dimensions. And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. You can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead.
There we go.
We'll begin to repair this anomaly.
Boom.
Now, enter the meta-terminal and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
Right, okay, I'm with it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on. Here we go. Right.
I feel like things are slowly
Come
starting
on.
to make sense. Dimensionally speaking.
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
Boom.
Just a little pick-me-up. That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
There we go. Boom, boom, boom.
Ow!